Me, I don't got anybody to help me, so I must win. What's up, traders? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? So I must win. Nobody really knows tomorrow. Of course, tonight is the night where we are going to be moving the markets. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? I am trading Brent oil. Yeah, and I'm trading binary options. You know how we do it every night. We'll be moving the market. So let's see what we have. I don't got anybody to help me, so I must win. Right. For my life every day, my dream is just to win. Guys, my first entry for tonight. Let me see how it goes. So what's up? Jerome, good to see ya. Godfrey, good to have you. Yeah, that's the spirit. Abim. That's the spirit. We are gonna be rocking the markets. Broad. Guys, let's lock in. Someone comment locked in. And I'm still that fire. So the kilo, no they tire. And the time I come in, I give them fire. All of my guys, me, I link them higher. And I'm still that fire. Nico, good to see ya. Good to see ya. I love your consistency, guys. I love your consistency, guys. Keep it up. I mean, that's how it should be every day, every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Nobody really knows tomorrow. Guys, this song is one of those songs that I love playing for more to get motivation. Sometimes I love playing that song. It's really nice. It's one of those songs that you listen to and you know you have to lock in for life. Still working. I wish I could really do this. All right. It's okay, Road. We are still here. And guys, this is the Trading Assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Yeah. Let us first lock in these cells. Beautiful. Damn, oh my god. This is our first L for the night. But we're not giving up, guys. It's too early to give up, so let us get another move. My last one just went viral. Right stroke, put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Tell them, be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Hey, what? Sit down. What is happening here? Sit down. I'm gonna wait and get a better entry, guys. Yeah, I have to wait and get a good entry at this rate. Mark your attendance, traders. Where are you watching from? Tibur from Budapest. What's up? Yeah, guys, continue marking your attendance. Tell me how did you spend your day today? I'm so sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro with your pride. Show me something natural. I want to feel some stretch marks. Still take you down right on your mama couch and polo side. Yeah, mark your attendance. Traders, tell me, did you look at your charts today? I don't fabricate it, most of y'all be faking, I stay modest about it, she elaborated, this that great poop on the AV on the TED Talk, watch my soul speak, you let the meds talk, if I kill it, it won't be the alcohol, I'm the realest, after all, tell them be humble, sit down, be humble, sit down, the guy, good to see ya, good to have you. Sit down. You're working on strategies. How are you working on the strategies, guys?
Sit down. Sit down.
Good to have you all. Good to have you all, traders in the building. You know how we do it. Yeah, you're free to ask any trading question. We are always catching up good vibes as traders as we are moving the markets. Yeah, we are always moving the markets every night.
Hey,
So let's see.
teach me how to do it.
Baby, let's go.
What? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the girls love me. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that dirty ride. Ain't nobody fitting with my bro from on the side.
Wow, sellers are really giving us some good plus here. Myself, I'm doing well, guys. I'm doing well. I had a beautiful day. It was a simple day. Not much errands, like I always have a lot to do. Today has not been so much requiring my efforts. So teach me how to dug. Teach me how to dug. Guys, these entries are moving in my direction, so I'm about to dug it. Okay, locked in. Teach me how to dug it. For those who don't know me. No, guys, here we are not trying. The moment you're on this trading assembly, you should know one thing. If you are a trader, you're not just trying the markets, you're locking in for life. That should be the goal, locking in for life. Don't give yourself room for trials. Just lock in fully if you are locking in. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my ducky.
Teach me how to duck. 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 Okay, someone is saying teach me about market structure and the best place to take the trade. Just stick around. In a few, I'll get into market structure. Muhammad, good to see ya. Good to have you. Teach me, guys. All guys that are here to learn, you are in the right place. In a few, we are going to get into the details of the strategy. Daddy.
All the bros call me lucky because they see the girl I'm with and she ready, so we rushing. I turned off my kick because I don't want to hear no fussing. Cali swag got them haters under their breath cussing. Nah, man, you can't tell me nothing. Star made the beat, I just took it out the oven. I just see the Dougie win, everybody clubbing in that Yale CSC.
Yeah, that's how it should be. You have to be locked in for life, guys. Anything, actually, not with just trading. With anything you're doing with your life, if you start up something, you have to lock in until you have got the results you want. Teach me about entry points. You are in the right place. Just lock in a few. We are gonna get into it. Yeah, my strategy is pure price action. So in a few, you're gonna get into the details of everything, guys. Guys, this is a pullback buy entry. So let's see how it goes. The market had just broke structure. And you saw a candle closure. And like I always tell you, after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. And it's a plus. Keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Nah, nigga, now you won't have to call me. Cause I'm looking at this message. It is still a bearish market, even when you're having a bullish pullback. it will cease to be a bearish market if it takes out the most recent high, which I see it is failing to do. Okay, yeah, we are still moving bearish. You don't make it real. Guys, if you have just joined, mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Rod, I didn't get what you're trying to ask. How did you know to stop on that single green candle? Guys, if I execute an entry, I'm trading binary options, all my entries, they close automatically if I have hit my expiration time. And you can see it is 15 seconds. That means if I execute an entry, it takes me 15 seconds for it to close either in a plus or in an L. I just miss you, I just miss us, baby. You don't make it I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it Candles move very fast because my candles are 5 seconds. But when it comes to trading time, guys, you're supposed to pick time that is favorable to your trading style and yourself. So you can pick another time frame for yourself. Guys, this trend has really moved so well. Sellers have really maintained this move for quite some minutes. And structure is not so crazy. It's clearly a strong trend. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes, yeah. Always make the same mistakes, cause I'm not in love. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I'll be lying, saying you're the one. Thank you for sharing your energy with us. You're welcome, my dear. And you're free to ask any trading question, guys. That's how I also learned, with people willing to share their knowledge. So if they shared, I can also share, because why not? As long as the markets are still here, we have to move them together, guys. For someone who was asking about market structure, you can see the market has been in a bearish trend. And with a bearish market, it means the market is moving downwards, creating series of lower highs and lower lows. So market structure is simple. With a bearish market, you're going to find the market is continuously taking out the previous lows and maintaining the previous highs. And for a bearish market, the strong points are the lower highs, because they push the market to take out the most recent low. So basically, that is how you understand market structure for a bearish market. I'm gonna walk away. And in any market, after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. For a bearish market or bearish trend, the break of structure is happening to the downside, meaning the market pulls back, then it pushes down again, and if it takes out the most recent low, that is a sign that the market has taken break of structure, and in that case, you start anticipating a pullback there and then. Oh, my shorty.
On my shirt body is not funny. You put on
And for all those that are asking about entries, it is simple. Guys, my strategy is price action. So my entries that are the entry points I'm sharing, they're in line with the trading strategy of pure price action. And in that case, you wait for a break of structure if you are in a trendy market. Then you can either take a pullback trade or you take a continuation trade. Continuation trades mean trade that are in line with a trend, with a market trend. And for that case, if you are in a bullish market, you're going to wait for a bearish pullback to get done. Then you start looking for entries in line with the trend. How do you know that the bearish pullback is done in a bullish market? It is simple. The market fails to take out the most recent low, because in an uptrend, lows are maintained and highs are taken out. So it fails to take out the most recent low. Then it gives you a candlestick pattern. Like in this case, you can see the market pull back and fail to take out the most recent low. Then it gave a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. You can see it down at the bottom. Then it has continued up. It broke structure. Now we are in a pullback again. That explains all these sell entries I am taking right now. Hey, nice, guys.
Catwalk the eye like a darego. Follow me, go. There is something about your body when you have me like I don't smoke Colorado, like
I don't smoke Colorado. Hey.
That's the way that you control me like a console. I'm your Game Boy, I'm your God of War. I want to be your man.
Oh, fine girl.
Your body high me like Colorado. Your body high me like Colorado. Yeah, my girl, yeah, your body high me like Colorado. Your body cool me like Diego. Feeling me.
I don't get what you're trying to ask, Rod. You look for entries. What are these? What are you trying to mean by that? I'm not understanding your question, my dear. Traders Mind, what's up? Theo, good to see ya.
Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me.
Guys, our account has really grown, so let us increase our risk and milk the market, because why not?
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on,
And I got my jealous on.
I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. Bitches be talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in.
Love from India. Namaste, my dear. What's up?
I'm Barbie, this is Ken. That is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill up.
Ethan, you work with the candlestick patterns? Of course, my dear, I do. I zero down to candlestick patterns when it comes to taking entries. Yeah, candlestick patterns are the first signals that I consider whenever I'm looking for an entry, because we all know they can signal you when the market is getting into a reversal, when the market is getting into a continuation. It's all about looking for them in key areas. That is the point. Hillary, I'm trading binary options.
They call me Megatron. Shorty's a megacon. It ain't about the race either, it's a marathon. I put the squeeze on him, throw up the beast on him. That ass clapping on the D, Hercules on him. My name is Batty. I keep it tight for daddy. He keep it coming. He ain't even dropped the addy. Trunk in the front. I need a blunt. I own my own Moscato, bitch. We getting drunk.
Guys, all traders in the building who are asking about the platform I'm using, it is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it.
I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking.
I'm
drinking.
Oh my god. Hola, hola, hola. We them boys.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my pussy. If you eatin' it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey. He said it's my pussy. My pussy. Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you feelin' lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you feelin' lonely.
There's a link in the description for if you want to get in touch with me. There's a link for my Telegram in the description. You can use that. Okay. We're moving. The markets, what is market continuation? Market continuation means, guys, if we are in a bullish trend, we anticipate the market to move upwards to the moon. So when it gets into a pullback after it breaking structure and the pullback gets done, then it continues back to its original trend, moving upwards. So that is a continuation. The market is continuing with its original trend. Alson from Trinidad, good to see you, my dear. For my Hillary, for my trading, for my strategy, which is pure price action, the key areas I'm really going to look out for are the highs and the lows. Basically, that's that, because they are going to be communicating to me something, and also understanding the market structure and direction, so I get to understand those highs and lows in the markets, because I can easily tell if the market is most likely to go into a continuation or a pullback based on that.
I gave you love and you cannot replace that. Ignore my call, I pull up while you place that. Back to back orgasm, no, you can't fake that. Scorpio girl, I can tell how you take that. Go for 2 rounds, after that we can shake back.
And guys, when it comes to trading, your key areas have to depend on your strategy that you're using. So for price action, some traders, they add on trend lines, they add on support and resistance. So those can also be key areas based on your strategy. But mine, it is just looking at the strong highs and the lows in the market. Then I base on that to make conclusions to enter buys or sells. Ahmed, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Freda Mathias from Brazil, good to have you. Just need some loyalty, someone who will ride for me. Boy, just match my loyalty, swear you won't give up on me. Boy, I just need some loyalty, someone who gon' ride for me. Boy, just match my loyalty, swear you won't give up. What's your trading challenge? You guys, whenever I'm setting trading goals, my trading goals are not normally weekly. Sorry, they are not normally daily. They can either be weekly or monthly. I don't set daily trading goals anymore. I prefer setting weekly and monthly. Sometimes I feel like the times I used to set daily trading goals, especially targets, I would find myself putting a lot of pressure on myself to really hit that daily target compared to when I set weekly. and monthly goals.
Everything was so cool. Lately, baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody told you.
Raphael from UK. Good to see you, my darling. Good to see you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Are you looking at your charts? On this trading assembly, as we are locked in, we are also supposed to be consistent, guys, and you're free to ask any trading question right now, because why not? We are here to learn. So feel free to ask any trading question, guys.
Man, I know that she was wrong. I shouldn't have did what I did. Just wipe your eyes and stop this crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you racks, I tried to buy it. I even did the unthinkable. I'm sorry for what I did. It would take me back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would. I probably wouldn't. Take you back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would. I probably wouldn't. Just wipe your eyes and start this crying.
Alright, Zia, looking at your moves. Alright, that's nice. Let me hope you're learning something.
I'm sorry for what I did. We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything.
Does the indicator guide your decisions? Of course, that's why I have it on the charts. I use both the indicator and my strategy concurrently. So whenever I'm looking at the indicator, guys, it is built in a channel that you're seeing on the chart. I always look out for breakouts either to the top side or to the downside. So if you get a breakout to the upside, you start anticipating buyers in the market. But I also need more confirmations, and that's where price action knowledge comes in. So in that instance, I'm going to either look for a bullish candlestick pattern that is really giving confirmation of market switching bullish, or market structure shifting bullish. That's how I use the indicator with the strategy. And if you get a breakout to the downside, I use the same thing. I anticipate sellers in the market, but I get more confirmation. Yeah.
Everything was so cool. Lately, baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody told you, but I ain't gonna lie, Mr. Oh, you.
You ain't got no will, you ain't got no bottom. Let's just be honest, let's just be real.
You ain't got no cash, you ain't got no dollar.
They stay with that drama.
Let's just be real.
Let's just be honest, let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest, let's just be real.
Daniel, good to see ya. Deb, good to have you all, guys. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask.
I don't give a fuck, bitch, with or without a condom. Fat Joe pockets lean back like a recliner. I'm in this representing West Side. A lot of people try to tell me I'm the next guy.
Ethan, whenever I'm looking at the indicator, I look out for breakouts either to the downside or to the top side. If you get a breakout to the upside, I start anticipating buyers in the market. And how I add it with price action, I start looking for confirmation from either getting a bullish candlestick pattern or market structure switching bullish. That's when I can really confirm that the market is really bullish and I start buying. The opposite is true. The opposite is true for a bearish breakout. Sorry, a breakout to the downside.
Slow down, back. It's enough to go round back. Been drinking like a thirsty. How you make it to my section in the first place? Good Cali, la-di-da-di, it's just me and all my homies at your door. Like
If you want to take part of the donations, there's a link in the description. You can use that. And the minimum for the donations is 400.
If you got a problem, 911, but we'll never call. For real, you can call anyone you want. I'ma kill them all better on. Said we the only ones.
Most of your trades are reversals. No, oh my god.
Let's just be real.
I mean, you've been present. You saw us taking continuation trades when the market was still trading good. When the market was still trending downwards, I was taking continuation trades. I have no specific directions, guys, whenever I'm trading, but I would really advise all beginners to take continuation trades. They are really better and easier to take compared to reversal patterns, reversal trade. But if you're really consistent in the market and you've been in the market for a while, you're free to take both sides, continuation and reversal trades, as long as you get the signal, because why not? Divine, good to see ya.
Go, Breeze.
Katie, as women, there's rules we need to stand by. Stand for something to fall for anything.
Love. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow she enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand up business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Bet on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it.
And you better look
fucking good when you do it. How to move out here, you know this shit get ugly. I had a bitch do me the dirtiest for claim to love me. I went through hella shit and back to be kicked up and comfy. You see how hard I grind, little bitch, don't never call me lucky. You fuck a nigga good enough and he gon' think he own you. The broke ones usually insecure, the rich ones try to control you. That's why it's always best to choose the one that's real and loyal. Cause money come and go, but it's some shit you can't teach. Time gon' always separate the hustlers from the leeches. The loudest is the weakest, give a fuck about what they screaming. And don't be matching fucked up energy with hoes in no way. Be realer than that lame shit, cause that right there got no place.
Fuck on.
Love. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread,
Deb
you not
1
accept the
4,
crumbs. Remember, you
I
can
for
never tell these
K.
bitches everything. Today she
The
call you
minimum,
sis, tomorrow she
the
enemy.
minimum for donation is 400, and you can use the donation link down in the description if you want to be part of the participants tonight. Hope that helps you, my dear.
You gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it.
And you better look fucking good when you
And
do
don't be
it.
lay your face down with your ass out. With some nigga you can't call for nothing if you ass out. I ain't saying that me walk around here with your hand out, but just in case some shit don't really go the way you planned out. Don't go blowing bags on the bag if you can't put a bag in it. And never fuck with niggas you never see what they should in. Don't never handle business decisions all in your feelings. Keep your hair and nails done and don't play around about that business. Keep everyone at your game room and bitches out of your bedroom. Now see the way that he treat you and try to fuck him in the same room. A few D's is an LLC, so you ain't cooked if a nigga leaves. Sweet life ain't always sweet, bitch. Gotta stay on her Q's and P's. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept.
All right, someone is asking about different candlestick patterns, doji and engulfing. All right, a doji is a candlestick pattern that shows you reversal. Same with the engulfing candlestick patterns, they can show you reversal moves, and they can also show you market continuation, engulfing candlestick patterns. The key is to use them in key areas, that is either at the top of a trend, if they are going to be a reversal candlestick pattern, and if you spot an engulfing candlestick pattern after a pullback, that is a sign that the market could be getting into the original trend and offer you a continuation opportunity to execute. Oh my god, our entries have been caught up with Our entries have been caught up.
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky
Like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now.
wish right now.
Yeah. I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion.
So guys, let us move on to this continuation. This is a pullback entry. Yeah, that's why we are selling here, but we have had, oh my god, yeah, the entry couldn't have survived 2 candles closed above it. Damn. Okay, let us look for a move. Airplanes on the sky like shooting stars.
Yeah, somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get it to that subway, and back when I was rapping for the elephant. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, maybe I will back to the days. Before the politics, there we go to rap game. And back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang.
Guys, we try again because why not? Can we turn like airplanes on the sky like shooting stars? Wish right now. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. I am trading binary options, and we are on Brent oil OTC chart. Yeah, that's how we've been moving the markets every night. Sellers are really moving the markets. So let us watch and see if we can get another entry opportunity. I told you long ago. Sad States, good to have you. What's up? Wow. There's some crazy rejection there, guys. Look at that week. Juwan, good to see ya. Good to have you guys. Continue marking your attendance. Where are you watching from? Let me see someone comment locked in. Locked in, because that's how we do every night. We get locked in for live.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the work gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him I keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close.
Guys, let me see if someone comment locked in. More people want to know that are locked in. And guys, tell me, any traders? Do you have any trader that took part in trading today, that looked at your charts, that really had a positive trading day?
I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers. I told you. Get your soul, just tell him ain't lay low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell him that the break is over.
Well, you know I can sing.
Rod, you're seeing that because of YouTube time lag. So while you're on stream, guys, you're encouraged to just be here to learn and ask any trading question, because why not? Stefan, good to see ya. I see you all, guys, you're locked in, and that's how we do it. Daddy, my little mama nasty.
She tastes like candy. She a queen like the fatigue. My little mama saying pretty. And we be shopping through the same. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Get off your knees, you don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and you need. From Chanel to Celine, and show you to the side. Valentino, yeah, I'll put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, start kissing on your neck, start rubbing on your butt, start massaging your breasts. I ain't wanna give you a baby just yet, so I backed out and nutted on your breast. I put you in an Uber and sent you to your bed. The very next day, you sent me a text. You pulled up to the crib and we did it again. Show your little body, show your little thing. And shorty got the Friday. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with her rubber, I nut it on the covers. And I kicked it on the cover, cause I'm kissing too.
You know I never found love until I looked into your eyes. First time blushing, I ain't even gon' lie. 4 round flip, even booty on your thighs. You the only bitch can make me spin off on the guys. And I'm only bitch to make me wanna know when I'm inside. It's your vibe. Leaving me, you getting high. Honey, bitches fucking with you, even if they try. See a tsunami, I ain't never fucked it dry. So my eyes while I sleep, hope you'll be there when I wake. Honestly, I feel a vibe, we had this thing. If there's something in your mind, you can tell me. And if I told you it's so mine, you tell me. You won't see the bigger picture, it's just gonna take time. Just because you're mine, I'ma keep you looking like a dime. Ain't no imperfections, how you find. Baby, what's your sign? Baby, when it gets the slow line.
Work. It's me and you.
Keep it silent, ain't nothing we can do. Through the storm, maybe we can make it through. Why you hacking break?
Oh my, let us look for another entry. Guys, tell me, how many traders can really identify a market trend? Because when it comes to price action, identifying a market trend is really, really important. So Traders in the building, I want you to comment if you can easily identify a trend, a market trend. Someone comments, I can, I'm able. Any, because actually most of my entries, they will start from there. Price action starts from understanding a market trend, and I also have a video on this channel talking about that exactly, so you can check it out. You can check it out. You are the trader. Yes, I am. Good to have you. Good to have you, my dear. Guys, I wanna see your comments. On which time frame can you guys spot that and understand the trend that this market is really trending either upwards or downwards? Tell me which time frame is easier for you to identify it. Because if you're really gonna be trading with price action, guys, it is key to know and understand a trendy market. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Something that you never seen. Something that you never been. Just ready for work. And all those that are asking about the donations, guys, the minimum for donations is 400 USD, and there's a link in the description that you can use if you want to be part. Reminder, donations are not financial investments, they are purely for learning and trading purposes, so you should know that it's not financial investment. I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? 'Cause you recognize I'm trying, baby. Can you teach me? Of course, you are on the right channel. Just don't forget to log in and subscribe, because we are always here learning as traders. 8 p.m. UK time every night, so don't forget to mark your attendance every day.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one.
You'll be checking from 1, 3, and 5. Oh, that is fair enough. Like, guys, I told you, when it comes to picking time frames, you have to pick time frames that are close and kind related to each other. You cannot have your execution time frame as 1 minute and you're looking at 1 hour chart. It doesn't make sense. At all. You have to really pick time frames that are really kind of close to each other.
You spend some time away. Now you need to forward.
And give me Josh, good to see ya. Guys, I'm taking this sell entry because the market is really trending downwards, so this is a continuation. It tried to pull back previously, but it failed to break the previous high. So, and it gave me 2 big bearish candles. That was enough reason for me to take a sell trade. So basically, that's why I did it, and I'm still looking out to see. I'm sitting pretty. I'm sending picture to picture. I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on the shame, but I can send these nights alone, and I don't need no explanation. 'Cause baby, Madam, how are you? I'm okay, guys. I'm really doing fine. The night is moving smoothly. Oh, oh.
Let's get it in motion.
Mm.
I'll make it feel like a vacation. Turn the bed into an ocean. We don't need nobody. I just need your body.
All right. All you have to do is to lock in and wait. I know you're always on the night shift. And guys, you should know that all my entries, I do not only base on the indicator, I also use your price action strategy the entire time.
Oh, yeah. Girl, gotta work for me. Can you make it clap? No hands for me. Take it to the ground, pick it up for me. Look back at it all, I'm for me. Put it work like my time sheet. She ride it like a 63. I'ma buy a new Celine.
Wow, look at these big bullish candles. I really love taking entries and they immediately go in my direction. It gives me a certain pure joy just. Oh my god. Why is it itching so much?
All the girls on the block knocking at my door. Wanna know what it is, make the boys want more. Is your lover laying on your side? Said he loves you, but he ain't got time. Here's the answer. Come and get it at the nighttime high. Full of honey to make him sweet. So ballin'. To help him see what he's been missing. So come and get it while you still got time. Get your boy that needs to repeat after music.
Damn.
Take a sip, I'm a secret.
Oh my god.
I'll make
Crazy
you
move.
love. First love that can't be broken. One touch should be enough. All you've been to me, I got the recipe and it's called black magic. It's called black magic. Take a sip from the secret potion. One taste and you'll be
Guys, we are selling again.
can't be
Let's see how it goes for us. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe. It's all about magic. It's alright.
that magic to change him overnight. Here's the answer. Come and get it. We still got time. If you're bored of me, then repeat after me. Say, take a sip from the secret potion.
Sunday, that's what exactly I'm doing.
Can't be broken. One drop should be enough.
Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe. It's all about magic. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe. It's all about magic. Oh, you belong to me. Take a sip on a secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. Belong to me. The rhythm is all about magic. So oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe. It's all about magic. My genius, you can. You can. It's not the minimum.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today,
Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
if I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me.
When I say price action, it entails of looking at understanding the market direction, that is uptrend, downtrend, understanding market structure, higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend, lower highs and lower lows for a downtrend. And it also involves understanding candlestick patterns. There are other things that entail, but for me, I only picked out those three, and it's what I look out for. Because here on this trading assembly, we do not complicate trading. We try to keep things as simple as it can be, and it focuses on our risk management and discipline. That's it. If I got lots away and we lost the road today. Guys, who's ready for the donations? Our queue is up. Our queue for the participant is up. So if you're ready, let me see you comment ready. And you know how we do it. Let us first secure our profit for today. Then we get into them.
To be here with money low. If I did not have nothing else to give back now.
Natures, good to see ya. Zebina, good to have you. Samuel, you're locked in and ready. Tibo, you're saying that because the account I use is VIP. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around? And we lost it all today. Guys, let us get ready for our first. I don't know how you came up on my feed, but I'm happy about it. Okay. All you have to do is to log in. And guys, don't forget to like the stream. Yeah. Don't forget to like the stream for the algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. If I got away. We are ready for our first participant for tonight. If I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I got locked away. Yeah, I can see you all locked in. That's how it should be. If I couldn't be strong, would you still love me the same? First attempt is in, guys. It's already moving in our direction. 2 candles have closed. So this is a sign that it's gonna work out. Yeah.
We couldn't turn around till we were upside down. I'll be the bad guy now, but no, I ain't so proud. I couldn't be there.
Alright, already moving in our direction. I do not want to see any green candle in the charts. Dang. Season change and the love will call. Guys, let me see you type congratulations to our first participant. Let me see you type congratulations to James. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant's account. Joe, good to see ya. I want to see more congratulations. Run away, run away.
I got a feeling that it's time to let go. I said so. I knew that this was doomed from the get-go. You thought that it was
Special.
but it was just sex, bro. Sex, bro. I still hear the echoes. I got a feeling that it's time to let it go.
Let it go. Season change and the love will call.
Feed the flag 'cause we can't let it go. Run away, while we're running in circles.
Run away.
Run away, I get it go. I'm waiting on you. So I don't take it back. Run away, while we're running in circles. Run away, run away, run away. Maybe you don't understand what I'm going through. It's only me, but you got to lose.
Structure is looking so beautiful. I love it when the market is really giving us clear market structure. As a pure price action trader, the market can be so easier for you to read, and it can be easier for you to understand. Of course, guys, on the streams, I'm always sharing my strategy and video. I'm dropping videos on this channel about it in detail. All you have to do is to subscribe and wait. And when I drop, you watch. After watching, you practice. That's the rule, no shortcuts. This was a continuation bullish entry. You can see the market is clearly bullish. And what happens after a break of structure? You anticipate a pullback. Someone was asking, do pullbacks happen? Do you count the number of candles? For example, do you count just 3 candles and you know that the pullback is done? And one thing I can say about that, you're just a home girl.
Give it up like a groove. And that's so pretty.
Guys, let's see. Oh my god, guys, are you seeing this? Damn! Dang! I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that.
Getting money like a post to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me. And all the mother nigga where they supposed to pay. Oh, the house go for me. Like a chicks in the pig like close for me. Oh, it's how I'm supposed to pay.
Like, guys, I was telling you about.
It's how I'm supposed to pay.
Let us look in for our next participant, Gabriel. Yeah, that's an next participant. But when it comes to pullback, guys, you do not have to count the number of candles that you're really taking. A pullback can go further than more than 3 candles. You just have to make sure that it is not taking out either a low for a downtrend, for an uptrend, or a high. Because once a pullback goes lower than taking out the most recent low in an uptrend, that ceases to be a pullback and it becomes a reversal move because it is signaling you the market switching structure to bearish. Yeah.
Y'all chick come close to me. Ain't no wrong what she supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be.
Getting money like I'm supposed to be. Tomorrow I'll deposit because I have faith in them. I mean, I'm glad that I have people who have faith in me. I also have faith in myself, guys. But anyways, at the end of the day, also trading is so risky, guys. You have to remember that. So if you want to really participate in trading, you should know trading is risky. So you should get into it when you have some knowledge about it. Laughter, you new here. Good to see ya. Good to have you. Nice, second attempt locked in. Guys, we're just looking for one final attempt for our participant. And let me hope, guys, you're locked in so that when I'm explaining the move, you can easily catch on.
Look, let's get it straight, girl. You don't need a nigga for
Civility.
every day you got that Benjamin Button claiming he don't got a girl.
In the niggas front. Good to see ya. Louis, you know you have faith in me, okay? Let's see. Fucking me, relax. It's been a while since you met someone original.
You spend your time drinking wine in your living room. All that good pussy can't find the one to give it to.
What? It's a
shame. You
see me, see the squad. It's a gang.
It's a lame. But it's the difference between me and what's his name. I swear to God, word Mace. I'ma drink this Henny to the face. Fuck a condom. I'ma bring some rain rap.
Okay, we are wow, this is nice. This was some crazy moment. I'm ready. Let me see you type congratulations. Congratulations, guys. 3 attempts locked in, and you know how we do it. Let me see you type congratulations to Gabriel.
backing it up. I'm the queen of talking shit, then I'm backing it up. Yeah, backing it up. Throw that money over here, nigga, that's what the fuck. Said I was getting some head, getting some head. Ran down on a bitch, she almost pissed on her leg. Bitches think they fucking with me, must be sick in the head. There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using. For all those that are asking, just check in the description. You should call me Cinnamon. Cardi B, bad bitch. Those is fucking synonyms. You see who winning? You see who got it? You see I'm still in the back making deposits. You see who switched up. Congratulations. You see who stuck to the code. What were you trading that you had to lock in that? That's nice. That's nice. I know how to go and get a bag, don't I? I know how to get a bitch mad, don't I? Make my ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say a lot of the bitches in the back, yeah.
Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Hey, backing it up. Throw that shit over here, girl. That's what it's for.
I'm live every night, 8 p.m. UK time. All you have to do is to lock in. All you have to do is to be locked in. And this is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask me any trading question. All right, first attempt is on. Guys, wish our participant luck. Yeah, wish our participant luck. Nick B, good to see ya. Good to have you.
I got a hard head for her ass up. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pull out a million cash, so I bring it on.
Unforgettable. Yeah, sellers are most likely to kick in. Let us wait and see if we get a stronger confirmation. Okay, buyers are still moving. There's a lot of indecision that was going on, but finally buyers have moved. Just one attempt left, guys. One attempt left. Guys, you're in with our final attempt. Hey, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Yeah, Type congratulations to Unikian. Type congratulations to our participants. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Oh my god. And you know how we do it? Everything goes to the participant. Oh my god. You're welcome, my darling. You're welcome.
Oh, Nana, look what you done started.
Oh, Nana.
Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, Nana, I'm about to spend all this cash. Oh, Nana, if you keep shaking that.
Oh, na na na.
Put your hands in the air if you love them tonight. Oh, na na na. Keep your hands in the air if you're spending the night. Oh, na na na. Oh, na 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 na.
Guys, we move on to our next. Someone comment locked in.
Baby, I'm the one you like, yeah. I'ma give you
Someone comment locked in.
I'ma give it to you right, yeah.
Just one attempt.
Oh, yeah. Baby, when you ready, tell her where to get the check. Girl, I know you ready, I ain't even got to check. You been through the worst, let me show you who the best. You know I'ma get you right, girl, the boys to the left. Like, oh, Nana.
Come on. I don't want to look at any green candle right now. Oh my god.
Why you gotta act so naughty?
Damn. My entry has been invalidated, guys. But you know how we do it. If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So that's what we're doing right now. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, na na na, oh, na 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 na. You the one that's celebrate, yeah. You the one that never had, yeah. Oh yeah, all the problems you done had, yeah. Lead them broke fellas in the past, yeah. Oh yeah, girl you had good, but I could give you better. I'll have you thinking about forever. I'm excited, oh na na, oh. Look what you done started. Look what you done started.
Oh, Nana.
Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, Nana.
Guys, patience pays in market. So let us see how this you can get a move. Oh my god, we are having a big green candle closing above our entry. Damn. Oh my god. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, guys. Buyers have invalidated our sales.
When we leave this party, you gon' love me tonight.
I really don't like looking at such moves. The market takes you out and it goes in the direction you had anticipated. Look at it going down like crazy. Okay. Guys, this is a pullback entry we are taking. You can see we have a green pin bar here. Oh my god. Another entry going against my direction. Damn. Let us refund and try again. That is some crazy. Structure is still bearish. Structure is still bearish, guys. It is clear. It's a very clear bearish trend. Let us watch and see. We are taking another pullback entry, guys. Okay, this is some good momentum here from buyers. So this is clearly gonna lock in a plus. That's it. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Let me see you type congratulations to Daxon. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Okay, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Guys, let me see you type more congratulations to Daxon as we move on to our next. Okay, you're welcome, Daxon. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. I'm glad you appreciate my dear. I am the best. Thank you. Thank you. All you do is to just log in. And guys, you can see patience really pays in the market. You have to wait for entries that are really making sense to you. That's how we've been moving. Okay, the market has shifted bullish. Let us see if we can get a move.
That's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you.
This is a continuation entry, guys, and it's already going in our direction. These are the entries I really love. When you execute and it immediately runs in your direction. Guys, someone comment moon to the moon, because that's where this bullish market is going. Someone comment to the moon, because buyers are heading. That's where buyers are heading. Thank you for the video explain, guys, and I'm dropping more and more videos. All you have to do is to log in and subscribe so that you don't miss out any when I drop it. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Yeah, let me see you guys comment to the moon, because this is where the market is heading, no lie. Okay, we are starting to see some bearish moves. To the Mars. This is to the moon. Do you go live every day? Yes, I do. Every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Make sure you join the trading assembly. The strategy, guys, that I use is pure price action. Yeah, it involves understanding the market direction. That is the first key thing you should do as a trader. And by market direction, I mean, are you understanding that you are in a bullish or bearish market or a sideways market? It's gonna be easier for you to execute if you already know the market you're dealing with. Swalalala. Swalalala. All right, this has moved well. And the other thing, guys, you look out for it is understanding market structure. You can't call yourself a pure price action trader when you don't know what market structure means. It's really key in every trading. Actually, in most trading strategies, market structure is really key because it's going to be showing you the turning points in the market. So it's always nice to know the highs, the strong highs and the strong lows in the market. Movement, guys, are you seeing this movement? Let me see you type congratulations to Mino Manor. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations to our participant. And you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Once we lock in, everything goes to the participant's account. Do you trade for a bank? Guys, no, not yet. But actually, the time I was really starting out to trade, honestly, I've ever gone for a bank trading interview. I really don't know what I was doing because that time I wasn't even yet very profitable. But like I always said, you guys, if you believe in yourself, nothing can stop you. Trying to recall. I want to believe. I was waiting on you to come online. Kevin, we are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So update your time. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out when I come live. You'll be notified. I'll wait for you to go. And I try to act natural. You've been thinking about her around me. And while I wait, I put on my perfume. Yeah, I want it all over you. Kevin, you are in USA. Oh my, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So just mark it and we are going to be cruising. This is a trading assembly. I share my trading tips and you're free to always ask me any trading question, guys. And you're always catching up as fellow traders. There's a link for my Telegram channel in the description, guys. You can join my Telegram channel so that you don't miss out on any communications. I know you got history, but I'm your girlfriend. Trying to be cool. I hope I'm paranoid, but I'm just seeing things. One attempt is locked in, just one to go. Sometimes it feels like there's three of us in here, baby. Okay, I see you, Sanvir from South Africa. Good to have you. Let's see if we can get another move. away from my perfume, and I worry don't over him. I'm gonna mark my territory. Myself, but I hope she smells like perfume. I'll never tell myself, but I hope she smells like perfume. I had it bad, hope you can tell, but I hope she smells like perfume. I had it bad, hope you can tell, but I hope she smells like perfume. Okay. We are having movement in our direction and the candle closed already. Let me see you type congratulations to Lily. All right. Let me see you type congratulations to Lily. Let me see you type congratulations. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Rooting to win. That is what is happening. So congratulations to you, my dear. Thank you. I pronounced the name correctly. I mean, guys, I took my classes serious. Yeah. Winks, good to see ya. I don't wanna be one of them. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Yeah, we move on to our next. Getting hot in here. Oh my god. That was so close. Damn. Guys, let us refund and try again. You know how I do it. If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. All right, my dear, good night. But we are still here. We're still here, though. See you tomorrow. Knows how to get the best out of me. I'm no fun, so I want to see. Trade my whole life just to me. Take what I want, but I'm still not free. This is a secret that I keep. This is gone, I can never find peace. Waste my whole life just to be. We don't gotta be alone now. I don't gotta be the one now. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. I don't gotta be the one now. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Wow. Guys, look at this crazy candle here. We are so locked in. We are so locked in. Someone comment so locked in. First attempt is in. Atomic, thank you. Yeah, someone comments so locked in because that's what we are doing right now. And guys, you know it, as long as the markets are still here, we are locked in for life. Tell me, traders, do you see yourself taking any other profession 5 years from now, or you're locked in for life like me? How? Oh my god. That was really close. I'm sorry about that, guys. Our second attempt is taken out.
Nothing's that bad. If it feels good, so you come back like I knew you would. I work off wild, and the night's young. Enjoy my drug, breathe you into my face, no. Drop it down to that bass drum. I got what you dream about. Nail scratching my back tat. Eyes closed when you scream out and you keep me in with your hips. While my teeth sinking those hips. While your body's giving me life. And you suffocating my kiss. Then you said I want you forever. And you ever night.
You're locked in for life. I mean, that's how we're moving, and that's how we're gonna be moving throughout the year and the next year and all the years, as long as the markets are still here. If you only knew the bad things I like, don't think that I can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Hey, I can't explain it. I love the pain. And I love the way that your breath melts me like Novocaine. And we are always tired.
Keep it straight, okay, I'm insane, but you're the same.
Let me paint the picture. Couch by the kitchen.
The market is still going to the moon, so let us cruise with it.
Pretty little fiction. And I'm not voice inside your head that keeps telling you to listen to all the bad things I say. And you said I want you forever. And you never night together. Scars on my body so I can take you wherever. Like
All right, first attempt is locked in.
scars on my body.
Let's see if we can get another move. If you only knew the bad things I like, don't think that I can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. The way we laugh is so unique. Okay, the market has taken out a recent high. And guys, whenever the market breaks structure, the first thing you anticipate is a pullback. So let's see how it goes. And guys, whenever you're trading, a pullback sometimes does not happen immediately. That's a fact. It's not always that the market, if it takes out the most recent high or low, it immediately pulls back. It can take it out and still continue with its trend, then pull back after some time. So second attempt locked in. Now you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh usually love sleeping all alone. This time around, bring a friend with you. But we ain't really gonna sleep.
Okay, guys, you're having two candles closing in our direction. 3 attempts in. Let me see you type congratulations to Chris. Let me see you type congratulations to Chris.
My God, wifey in my pocket. Get me redder than the devil till I go now. Ask me if I do this every day.
I say often.
So many times she wrote the wave.
I say often.
It's just down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it. Often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy pop it. Do it how I want it. Often. Infatuated by the space that is. She wanna ride inside the G-Class.
Move on to our next. Guys, when it comes to picking trading time, you're supposed to pick time that really favors you and suits your trading style. I mean, you cannot be engaged in the morning or someone who's doing trading as a part-time. Then you want to force to trade in a set, to pick a trading session where you're supposed to be working. So you're supposed to pick trading time that really favors you. And to me, whenever you see me here, this time is favorable for me and my trading style. That's all. There is nothing hidden. Sometimes you have to pick the trading time whereby you know you're not going to be distracted by anything, by anyone. Because like I always tell you, when you're in the market, you have to lock in, guys. You're supposed to lock in as much as possible. So for you to avoid distractions, you pick trading time whereby no one is going to be calling you or someone needs your attention. That's it. So that's what it means, picking time according to your style and personal lifestyle. So that you lock in and you don't miss out on any market moves. Please don't spam comment, guys. It's not nice. Stop spam commenting. Okay, guys, first attempt is locked in. Excuse me, sorry about that. All right.
Yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends.
Okay, guys, second attempt is locked in. I celebrate you. I practice 10 hours every day. I will share. That's how it should be, guys. You have to practice and practice and practice. But also, as you're practicing, make sure you're really practicing the valid points. Yeah, you're really looking out for something, and you have to look out the valid points mainly whenever you're practicing. But that's nice, because trading, it's a skill. So the more you practice, the more you're refining it and the more it's developing. But they still just you, they still forgive you. So yes, guys, we are looking for our final attempt.
said she got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit.
Wow, this is already moving in my direction, in my anticipated direction. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations to Nuvo. And you know how we do it. Let me see you type congratulations, guys.
You get your body to me, I body that like a savage.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
Take this shit for granted, yeah. Different than it was before. People around you wanting more. BFF, oh yeah, for sure.
Let me see you type more congratulations.
Take it last relationship.
Little Dreamer, I found you again. I mean, welcome back from wherever you are lost from. Welcome back. So next time, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my live. And guys, remember, I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So mark your attendance on time as we're getting into my strategy, my trading experience, and as I'm catching up with you traders. That's how we'll be doing it on the stream. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join. You can join, and the platform that I'm using is Pocket Options Broker. There's a link in the description for it. Guys, if you want a cool bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet Trading Bot, and it is free of charge. So feel free to use that link. Everything shared on the stream is not financial advice. It is purely for learning purposes. And if you want to learn more, just log in. Sharif, how are you, friend? I'm okay. I'm okay. The night is moving smoothly. How are you doing? Drama is for you. Take that L you lose. All right, guys. I love you so much. Good night. Don't forget, let us catch up tomorrow, same time. Come and we learn as I share my trading strategy. Same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Good night.
Hey.